So see, I've kept all the wires ready to be wired, and I'm just going to wire this up. I have the wire nuts in my hand, and I'm going to start with the black wire nut, and see how I can very easily use both my hands, because I don't have to use my hands to hold up the fixture, and I can just simply wire it up. This camcorder that I'm using for vlogging this, that's mounted on my head, so I'm not holding up a camcorder either. Basically, I would just wire this up like this. Okay, that's nice and tight. Yeah, that seems to work. I wired in one of the wire nuts. I'll wire the other two, and then I'll continue this video later.